that again. I'm at Miss Stephanie's farm. So we got to see the farm animals, the pigs and the cows and the bunnies and the chickens. But there's a whole other part of a farm that you didn't get to see. And that is the vegetables.
Vegetables, yeah.
Thank you for having me back, Miss Stephanie.
You're
I really
welcome.
appreciate that. And I like your shirt.
Yeah.
For Twinkies. Tell me, what is this thing here?
This is a greenhouse.
A greenhouse. It's
Yes.
not green.
It's not.
Okay, so why is it called a greenhouse?
They're usually green.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I guess they, over the years, have gotten...
Clear. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. It's called a greenhouse. Got it.
Got it.
And what do you do in a greenhouse?
We keep the vegetables warm.
You keep the vegetables warm?
Yes, because you notice right now, outside, especially at night,
Uh-huh.
it's not so warm.
It's a little cool still.
It's really cold at night
Uh-huh.
for the vegetables. They will not do well.
Okay.
So we want to keep them warm
Okay.
while still getting sunlight, because the sunlight comes through here.
Okay.
And vegetables need sunlight to grow.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And
Tell me what we have in here.
so this is lettuce.
Lettuce. Okay.
Okay. And these are carrots.
Carrots.
And onions.
Onions.
And garlic.
Garlic.
And our cabbage. Might need to be transplanted. It's not doing so well.
Okay.
We have tomatoes.
Uh-huh.
And peppers. And squash.
Okay. Awesome. So, what is your favorite thing to eat that you grow?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Okay. So, I see these don't look like they're ready to be pulled up yet, right?
Right.
So, are these going to stay in the greenhouse the whole time? Or are you going to move them?
Well, this is actually our first year to grow carrots, so we're going to see.
Okay, so you don't know yet.
And actually,
What about
I
the lettuce?
don't mind.
Because some of this lettuce looks done.
Okay, so we've been coming in and cutting the lettuce for our salad for dinner.
So this is ready to eat?
Yes.
Can I try it?
Yes.
Is it not going to
It's not very.
no fertilizers or
No.
anything?
You feel like a rabbit?
I think Moose the rabbit would enjoy it. It actually has a very mild taste. I'd totally eat that.
Yeah. I think it's butter.
Butter leaf lettuce.
is what it's called.
Looks like it's me too.
Let me just see if I can pull one of these carrots. That's not a weed. You can see this little baby
Can you see that?
carrot that
Is it?
hasn't really.
So this little part right here is going to be a carrot?
Yes,
Oh, wow.
but it's not a carrot yet, really, is it?
No, it's just a carrot plant. Okay, so we just ripped this up. Is it dead now? Or can
Yes.
you replant it?
No, we'll just.
Oh,
Get rid of it.
I didn't mean to make you kill your carrot.
It's one carrot.
It's one carrot. Okay.
It needed thinned out.
It needs thinned out. Okay, got it. Okay, so in here, do you have to, it can't get rain, right?
And sometimes when it rains
Uh-huh.
really, really hard,
Right.
and that will kill the plants.
Too much water can
Yes.
hurt the plants
Can
too.
hurt the plants.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay, so in here it protects it from the heavy rain,
Right.
but you have to water it yourself.
Right.
What do you water it with?
The watering can.
A watering can. Okay. So you just put water in here
Mhm.
and then just come along and water it?
Yes.
Do you do that or does your husband?
My husband does that.
Awesome.
You?
Good.
Come
Yeah.
here.
Mr. Gary is the farmer.
He is.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to water your carrots.
Go for it. I'm not the expert. There you go.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. Okay. Fun. I like your watering can. Okay, so after the plants are too big to be in here,
Yes.
like your cabbage, you said,
Right.
it's ready to be transplanted. What does that
Yes.
mean? What does transplant mean?
So transplant means that we're going to take the vegetables that are in here and
Uh-huh.
we're going to take them out to the garden
Okay.
and put them in the outside.
Can you show us that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the garden.
This is the garden where we transplant the baby plants.
So you take your baby plants and you put them in here.
Yeah, we dig a hole
Uh-huh.
and we put them in here.
Got it. Okay. So tell me what we have here. Come closer, Isaac, so you can hear. Why is there a gate? Tell me.
That is us using what we have
Okay.
instead of buying new materials.
Smart. Very smart.
Recycle,
Uh-huh.
right?
Reuse. Uh-huh.
Reuse. So what we have here are tomato plants.
Okay, Isaac, can you see those?
And tomato plants are climbing plants.
Mm-hmm.
And they need something to climb on
Okay.
to grow. And so are cucumbers, which are over here.
Okay.
And so eventually the cucumbers will go all the way. Don't interweave all up through here, all the way
Uh-huh.
to the top.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to walk under
Oh.
and pick your cucumbers.
I love that idea. What is this over here?
I believe this is,
It's okay if you don't know.
yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't remember. I don't remember what that is. That's funny.
The dirt looks kind of weird.
Yeah, so, you remember when I said the greenhouse?
Uh-huh.
That sometimes it rains really, really hard.
Yes.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
And when it does, and it compacts the soil.
Compact, smush down.
It makes it really, really hard. So
Okay.
right now, you can walk on it and you won't
Fall.
sink in. Right?
Right.
You see this machine over here? That's a tiller.
Come show us.
Okay.
This machine over here? Okay.
We can walk over here.
Okay. This dirt does look different. Has this dirt been, what's that word you said?
Tilled.
Tilled. Okay.
So what we will do is come back, and this actually is getting pretty hard. But we'll come back, and we won't till the plants.
Okay.
Because that's not good.
that would kill them.
That would kill the plants.
Like a weed eater or something?
But exactly like a weed eater. But we will go through in between the plants.
Yeah.
And we'll try to keep the soil turned over
Okay.
and soft.
Okay. Soft.
So that the plants can get through. And also for fertilizing, because, you know, the worms crawl through and
Right.
they eat and they excrete and
Okay.
they fertilize.
So
For
there's
the
lots of
plants.
worms in here, you think?
I would think so, yeah.
Cool. Okay. So at the end of the summer, once all of your vegetables are planted,
Yes.
what kind of vegetables will you have? Any idea? A lot.
A lot. Yeah.
You told us tomatoes were your favorite.
We'll have tomatoes.
Uh-huh.
We'll have cucumbers.
Uh-huh.
We'll have, let's see, squash.
Yes.
There are several varieties of squash.
Okay.
Cabbage.
Oh. Garlic. We
Garlic.
saw.
Onion.
Onions. Okay. What about, have you ever tried a pumpkin?
We do pumpkins in the fall.
Pumpkins in the fall.
And gourds.
So, some of the things you plant earlier in the spring and some things you plant later?
Right.
Okay. That makes sense, because some of them like hot and some of them like cold.
Right.
Okay. If it doesn't rain all summer long and your plants need water, do you use that green watering can over your whole garden?
No.
What do you do?
We would have to irrigate.
Irrigate. That's a big word. Okay.
So we would probably use
What does irrigate mean?
this big,
Over here? Can
yeah.
you look at it?
Yeah. We would probably fill up this big water tank.
Oh, this thing is water? Okay.
And so then we would take our hose and we would turn it on.
Yeah.
And we would see that it's on wheels, pull it,
Okay.
and water each row.
Do you use your tractor we saw for that?
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Do you just use water? I've heard of a plant food before. Do you ever add plant food? No.
We don't really do that.
Because you like yours to be all organic-y.
Correct.
Got it.
We don't want chemicals.
What does organic mean?
Chemical free?
Chemical-free? Okay. Works for me. Is there anything else that we should know about your garden on your farm?
It takes a lot of work.
A lot of work.
A lot of work. It's really hot.
Mm-hmm.
My kids don't enjoy it.
Okay, but do you like eating the fresh vegetables?
I love eating the fresh vegetables.
And is it cheaper to have a farm or to go to the grocery store? Hard question.
Probably the farm.
You think so?
Or, I mean, the grocery store is cheaper.
Really?
I would think so.
Okay, because it costs a lot of energy and supplies and stuff to have your own farm.
Yes.
Okay.
And you have to buy the seeds and everything that goes with it, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. I mean, we do the farm because we want to.
Right, and because the food is good.
Yeah.
When you grow some vegetables, can I have some? Thank you. I want to try a tomato, and I want to try a cucumber,
Okay.
and I want to try, what else?
Squash?
Squash. That's what I want. Will you bring me those three
Yes,
things?
I
Thank
can
you.
do that.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for telling me about your garden.
You're welcome. I'm glad to have you guys.
Guess what we're going to do now?
What?
I'm going to go show the boys and girls my tiny garden.
That's fun.
No. It is that big.
Are you guys ready to see it?
Literally, it's like this big. It's the smallest garden you've ever seen, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Literally,
okay.
Zero idea. But we're going to try.
I feel like that's the best way to learn.
It's a science experiment, right? All right, so let's go look at my garden now. Okay, so we planted a plant. So my little tomato plant was already a plant. Now we're going to try to grow some seeds. Ruthie picked out these seeds because she thought they sounded cool. Do you see the picture on the front of the seed packet? They're called dragon tongue beans. I've never had a dragon tongue bean. Have you?
Yeah.
You have? I hope that they're tasty. So we're going to plant our dragon tongue beans. And the first thing we need to do is get one little finger, Ruth. Show me your one little finger. And we're going to stick one little finger in the dirt.
I did it, Mama.
You did it over there? Come do it right here. Can you do it right here? Right about there. Good. So Ruthie and I each made one little hole with our finger. And now we're going to take a seed. This one. Can you hold your hand out so Isaac can see what the seeds look like? Can you see those seeds, Isaac? They look just like beans we might eat, don't they? So put one in your hole. And now cover your hole back up. Good. Good. Okay, all right, do it again. Right here. I stuck my finger in. I'm going to take cover it back up. Okay? Let's do another one right here. Okay. All right. All right, so we've got those little bean seeds in there. And now we're going to water them. Ruth, can you hand me the hose, please? And Daddy, can you turn the water on for me, please? I want to hold the water hose. Okay, good, Dad. Thank you. Great. Now let's let Micah plant something.
Watermelon.
Okay. You got it? Okay, so we planted a plant. So my little tomato plant was already a plant. Now we're going to try to grow some seeds. Ruthie picked out these seeds because she thought they sounded cool. Do you see the picture on the front of the seed packet? They're called dragon tongue beans. I've never had a dragon tongue bean. Have you?
Yeah.
You have? I hope that they're tasty. So we're going to plant our dragon tongue beans. And the first thing we need to do is get one little finger, Ruth. Show me your one little finger. And we're going to stick one little finger in the dirt.
I did it, Mama.
You did it over there? Come do it right here. Can you do it right here? Right about there. Good. So Ruthie and I each made one little hole with our finger. And now we're going to take a seed. This one. Can you hold your hand out so Isaac can see what the seeds look like? Can you see those seeds, Isaac? They look just like beans we might eat, don't they? So put one in your hole. And now cover your hole back up. Good. Good. Okay, all right, do it again. Right here. I stuck my finger in. Let me take cover it back up. Okay, let's do another one right here. Okay. All right. All right, so we've got those little bean seeds in there. And now we're going to water them. Ruth, can you hand me the hose, please? And Daddy, can you turn the water on for me, please? I want to hold the water hose. Okay, good, Dad. Thank you. Great. Now let's let Micah plant something. Hey, guys. Okay, so Micah chose to plant, can you see that? Watermelon. Micah loves watermelon. Can you hold your hand out so they can see what the watermelon seeds look like, Micah? Have you ever eaten watermelon and seen seeds? That's exactly what they look like. Okay, so Micah, we're going to put our seeds.
Do the seeds taste the same when they're watermelon?
I don't know. I don't purposely eat watermelon seeds. I don't think you should either. All right. Go ahead, stick your seeds in that hole, please.
I lost one.
Okay, we'll do the two you got.
No, I found it.
Put two in that hole and two in that hole. Okay.
Should be growing 2 watermelons?
Okay, now kind of cover back up with the dirt. Cover the dirt back over the seed. Perfect. Okay. All right, I guess all we have to do is we need to water it again and wait and see what happens. And I'll keep you guys posted and see what happens with our dragon beans and our watermelons and our tomato plant. Okay, so what do you think? You think we're going to be able to grow something? Maybe you should talk to your mom and dad and see if there's something you can grow at your house. This is new for Miss Sarah. I'm not a farmer like Miss Stephanie, but I'm interested to learn something new. Okay, I love you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys. Okay, what did you think of my little garden plot? Did you see where we put the seeds in? And honestly, we took that video about a week ago, and I already have teeny tiny little baby plants starting to sprout up. I would take you out to show them, but it's already dark outside. Tomorrow is going to be a special day. We are going to have Amelia's grandma come and read us a story she wrote, because she is an author. You know that word, right? Author. It means somebody that writes stories. So make sure that you show up for our Zoom tomorrow at 10 o'clock, and we're going to hear a really, really great story from Amelia's grandma. Something else I wanted to tell you about. This Sunday, that's not tomorrow, that's Friday. Not the day after that, that's Saturday. But the day after that, so in 3 days, is Mother's Day. Do you know about Mother's Day? Mother's Day is the one day a year when we take time to tell our mommies how much we love them and how thankful we are for them for all they do for us. Normally, if we were at school, Miss Sarah would help you make a really beautiful Mother's Day card, and we would even have a special Mother's Day lunch for them. Sadly, we can't do that. We know we're a little sad about that, don't we? But I know that you are smart and capable, and you all have really great daddies. So I want you to talk to your daddy about what you can do to make Mother's Day special for your mamas. Something that might be fun for you to do is to make a card that has a plant on it. It could be a flower. It could be a little seed growing into a plant. You could take a leaf and make a rubbing of it. There are lots and lots of things you can do for Mother's Day. So make sure you remember your mama, okay? I love you guys. And our last video is going to be on Tuesday. That's the last one I have for you before graduation. I miss you. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.